He's bleeding out on a freezing skyscraper, fighting a brutal war for a city that doesn't even know he exists. Older, cynical vigilantes warned him to walk away. They told him this thankless, invisible life would eventually swallow him whole. Standing on that desolate rooftop in the howling winter wind, the numbness sets in. It's his ultimate breaking point. Why sacrifice your life for people who forgot you? Because he isn't wearing the mask for fame, glory, or a spot on the evening news. He rejects the spotlight completely. He fights to be a shield against the monsters in the dark. Shedding his own despair, he embraces his destiny as a faceless protector, choosing dangerous duty over pain. Turning his back on the cold isolation, he plunges straight into the neon glow of the dangerous streets below. Because the city still needs him.